Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to create a script custom movement animation for your Roblox character. Let's get started. First, get your animation, either from the toolbox or make one using the animation editor in Roblox Studio. And when ready, publish it and copy the animation ID. And here, open your game and go to Workspace and click the character and click Animate Local Script and copy it and move this script to starter character script so it applies to all players. Then find the animation that you want to replace, like walking, jumping, or idle, and paste your new animation ID in both in property or inside the script where it's referenced. And play the game to test. You can repeat this process to customize multiple animation like running, sitting, or even dancing. And that's how you animate characters with scripting in Roblox. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.